Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating variables so you know whether this is hardware or software. First, remove any case and unplug Bluetooth or wired audio, then restart the phone. Once done, boot into safe mode to see if the problem persists without third-party apps. While it reboots, examine the physical buttons and frame edges for grit, adhesive, or bending that could press a button. If the volume behavior stops in safe mode, an app is likely. Otherwise, keep going toward repair steps. You now focus on software fixes that are reversible and quick. Update the operating system and audio-related apps, then clear app caches to remove corrupt settings. If the phone still pumps volume, go to Accessibility and temporarily remap or disable volume button functions to test whether the issue is button input. Make a full backup, because if remapping does not stop it, perform a factory reset. That rules out lingering software configuration issues. If the problem continues after a reset, you finish by addressing the hardware cause, a stuck or shorting volume switch or damaged flex cable. Once you've verified the issue survives software steps, power down, remove the back, or visit a certified repair shop to replace or clean the volume button assembly using OEM parts. If you do it yourself, disconnect the battery first and follow a reliable teardown guide. Troubleshooting tip. If repairs aren't possible immediately, use a Bluetooth device with volume lock or an accessibility volume limiter to prevent sudden increases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.